Class 8 Standard. Subject English. Unit 1 1.1. Subscribe YouTube channel. Be the best. Poem. English workshop. Subscribe YouTube channel.
Question 1. Read the watch or names given below. Put the big-sized or bigger ones in the big circle and the smaller ones in the small circle.
Muskie, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, rill, sun, star, trail. Scrub, rill, bush, bass, star, trail. Pine, sun, highway, lake, tree. Question 2. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem.
Crew, do, be, here, near. C, trail, fail, D, star, R.
Question 3. Complete the following with appropriate words or phrases from the poem. One. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub. 2. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. 3. If you are a muskie, be a bass. 4. If you can't be a captain, you can be in a crew. 5. If you can't be a highway, be a trail. 6. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Question 4. Write whether the following are true or false. One. All must be the captains of the teams. False. 2. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. 3. We win or fail depending upon size or position. False. 4. Is found at the top of the hill. False. 5. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. 6. Whatever job you have, do your best. True. Question 5. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. One. The title of the poem is Be the Best. Two. The poem is written by Douglas Malloche. 3. The poem has 4 stanzas. Each stanza has 4 lines. 4. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are first and second, third and fourth. 5. The poet compares big things with small things. Six. If you can't be, is a repeated expression in the poem. 7. The line, I shall always remember is, be the best of whatever you are. Question 6. Read the given extract from the poem, Little Drops of Water, by Julia Fletcher Carney. Learn it up. Set it to a tune, and enjoy singing it. Little drops of water. Little grains of sand. Make the mighty ocean. And the pleasant land. Little deeds of kindness. Little words of love. Help to make earth happy. Like the heaven above.